A lot of the time I get clients and they say, we hired you because we want a bulldog on this. We want someone that's going to go in there and attack this and be extremely aggressive and fight with everything they got. And a lot of the time that's not the best strategy for defending a case for a lot of different reasons. If you're really offending everybody, rubbing everybody the wrong way, you're rubbing the prosecution the wrong way, you're fighting over every little detail, you're making that prosecutor's job harder, you're making the judge's job harder, you're making the whole courtroom staff's job harder. So a lot of time the best strategy is kind of balancing diplomacy with an aggressive defense strategy. And that doesn't mean that you're going to plead someone guilty, that you're going to be diplomatic or you're going to bend over backwards to everything they say and then you're going to plead the guy guilty and get a plea bargain. It also helps when you have to go to trial. I've had cases that I felt have hinged on being polite to the prosecution. They have a ton of discretion, and I feel like people's lives have hung in the balance before where they've said, you know what, I'm going to give you a little break on this one. I'm going to do the right thing. I like you. You're a good guy. You owe me a favor. This is Cook County, buddy. But we're going to let you have a pass on this one, and people's lives have been changed just for something that simple. Yeah, I mean, I don't know every single prosecutor, but I'd have to say I know the overwhelming majority of them. I mean, there are 33 felony judges practicing in the Cook County Criminal Courthouse alone. So I know, and it's kind of hard to do this, but I know the idiosyncrasies and preferences of all those different judges. I, as a criminal defense attorney practicing here, I've got to be a little bit politically active. All those judges are elected officials. When I'm asked, I go and I participate in campaign fundraisers, or if they need help passing out pamphlets or anything like that. I've done that since I've been in law school. And you know, it's not saying anything inappropriate is going on or unseemly. It's just, it's good for me to get to know those judges, and there's prosecutors out there doing the same thing. You make friends with people over the course of time, and it just helps everything go more fluidly.